Hello everyone, this is me Noreen Fatimi. Welcome to Years Girls Festival TV show. Today's edition is on the current situation of coronavirus in Madagascar. Here we have a special guest. Would you please introduce yourself?
Manamana Nianara Komdetrish. I am a yes participant to Vanilla.
So thank you Trish. Can you tell us the present condition of coronavirus situation in Madagascar?
So at the moment in Madagascar, 23 people have been affected. There have been no deaths reported whatsoever. And at the moment, everything is under control.
Okay, thank you. And what measures have been taken by the government so far?
The government has managed to put everyone who's infected in quarantine. They have cut down all public transport to ensure people are not moving, and they've ensured that stores do not lift the prices of food.
That's good. And how are you coping with working from home?
Well, it has been a very interesting experience. Honestly, it was scary in the beginning because it was just our 4 square foot house. But now that we've gotten to live with each other more, we're embracing the company, embracing the hard work, and thank you to Team Minds for giving us the daily challenges because they're really keeping us busy and keeping us from our dreams.
Thank you, Trish, for updating us on the coronavirus situation. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.
I work so hard, I'm grinding sha. Aningambo shiny we in indiri shining star. Mazimu mangu oye imi muri kupko. Kana nkarasi kanda soka kunge supko. Cherova kachikarana, andimbo shushkwa. Nirimbeu isina kujikarwa, ndinenge mauskwa. I keep grinding, kushika zapadara. Patient faith, sakashona kuchipatara.
Patino bakure. Shagaiti kashure. Shakasara kure. Patino enda kure. Bakure, Shagaiti Kashure.